What's up, guys? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment here. Today I'm at the warehouse. I am doing eBay pictures. I basically have a whole cart full of stuff to photograph, as you can see. I get a lot of questions about how do you take photos, or how I take photos rather. So I kind of want to walk you through kind of the setup I have, how I take them, this is just what I do, and basically what I think the buyer wants to see, and if there are any flaws or anything like that. So here we go. So this is kind of my setup right here. It's literally like a trifold poster board, as you can see. Then I have one big one. I just basically lay it out. That makes it really good for sets. It makes it really easy to lay them down. I like to basically push it could go back or whatnot. But since we're talking about just first editions or rarer books, I'm kind of going to go through exactly how I do it. So this right here is Michael Crichton, Eaters of the Dead. It turns out it is a first edition. So one of the ways a lot of first editions, they actually have the price right there. That's a good tell. Or the best tell is if it just says it will be right in the dust jacket. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it says first edition right there. So I basically walk you through. So this book is in like so-so condition. You can see it has some tears there, little rips there. It is an older book. So basically what I would do for pictures, this would be my first picture. Obviously it'd be closer, it'd be straight on. Then I would turn it around because I want to get that part so they could see the condition of the pages. Like you could see that there is somewhere. Then I'd turn it around, get the spine. A lot of people want to see the spine. Then I would just take a picture of the back. Boom. Then I'd put the book down. I would take a picture of this part of the dust jacket, like that, because it is one of the markers, is the price. Then I usually take a picture of just like the title page. And then the next picture I would take is basically of this, showing that it's a first edition. Sometimes if there are like pictures or something nice in the book, I would definitely like take a picture or two. And you could also do the back if you want to. But yeah, something like this, like there are no illustrations. Some books do have illustrations, but this one does not. So yeah, that's how I take pictures of books that are more rare or valuable. If this wasn't a first edition, it would be more, you're taking a picture of the date. Let me see if I have an example here. Let's see. Bear with me 1 second. Yeah, this might be a good one. No. Here, we'll use this one. So this is one over here. Basically, this isn't a first edition or anything. Sometimes I will put a sticky note on there just to remind me, basically like, hey, there's writing on the front page. So I would definitely take a picture of that. But you could tell this one isn't a first edition, but so instead of taking that, I would just take this picture that really marks the date of it being 1960. And for this one, there are some illustrations, so I would take pictures of these a little bit so people could see. People love these old illustrations. Oh, there looks like there's a flower in this one. But yeah, that's kind of how I take pictures. It's super simple. I don't remember how many I did just like kind of show you, but it's probably like 6 to 8 pictures. Again, people just really want to see the dust jacket, the condition of that, the price inside, definitely the page that marks it's the first edition. And then, yeah, if you want to put some other, take some pictures of the illustrations, that always goes well too. And that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you take pictures differently? Did you find this helpful? If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. It means the world to me, and I'll see you in the next video.